Hi, it's Britt with ShirtSpace. T-shirts are an essential part of our everyday lives. Just about anybody who wears clothing has some form of a t-shirt in their closet. So when you think about your basics, those tried and true items that you always go back to, what kind of items are they? We bet your bottom dollar that there's a t-shirt in the mix. And today we're going to talk about a t-shirt whose name says it all. Just how essential is this tee? Well, let's find out. Stay tuned. Oh, you're back. Just in time to find out all about the Port & Company PC61 Essential Tee. Why is this tee essential to your life in any way? Well, let us explain. The most striking part about this particular shirt is the incredibly low price point. If you're working with a budget, then this t-shirt is a great option. You may be thinking that you'd be sacrificing quality for price. You get what you pay for, right? Well, you'll be pleasantly surprised to find out that this is not the case when it comes to the PC61. Our customers comment on how comfortable, durable, and soft this t-shirt actually is. In fact, the PC61 is such a hit, it was voted most popular t-shirt by many clubs, teams, groups, and schools across America. It weighs in at 6.1 ounces, making it the perfect midweight tee for many occasions and customization projects. This super cozy t-shirt is made from 100% soft spun cotton, besides the ash color, athletic heather, and dark heather gray colors, which are made from varying percentages of a cotton polyester blended material. Coming in a whopping 55 colors, there is a huge selection of shades to choose from to satisfy any preference. All of the classics are available when it comes to color, or you can opt for colors straight from the kitchen like lime, pistachio, dill green, eggplant, dark chocolate brown, lemon yellow, olive, orange sherbet, sangria, or even candy pink. This shirt comes in sizes small through 6XL, so you don't have to worry about not having available size for one of your customers. Feel good knowing that you can cater to people of all shapes and sizes with a wide variety of sizing options. Cotton shirts are a go-to for many forms of garment decoration. You can use water-based, discharged, and plastisol inks for screen printing. Heat transfer vinyl is safe, but it'd always check your heat settings. Direct-to-garment printing's good. You can embroider, and you can tie-dye for very vibrant and saturated designs. Just think how wonderful your design will look on the Port & Company PC61 Essential Tee. If you're envisioning it with me now, before you forget, head over to ShirtSpace.com, the best place to visit for all of your blank apparel needs. If you have a tee or a topic you would like us to cover in the future, make sure to let us know in the comments below. Make sure to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and have a great rest of your day. Hey guys, one more thing I wanted to tell you. Did you know that white t-shirt sales spiked after Don Johnson wore one underneath an Armani suit in an episode of Miami Vice in the 1980s? Pretty rad, huh?